What if one simple bedtime habit could protect your memory, not just tonight, but for years to come, while you sleep? Welcome to Senior Club, your trusted place for simple tips to stay strong, independent, and healthy every single day. Remember when your mind felt sharp enough to recall every name, every shopping list, every story without hesitation? For many seniors, those moments feel harder now, especially at night, when the mind feels tired and memory slips more easily. Dr. Dean Ornish has long taught that small lifestyle choices, especially evening rituals, can protect your brain, keeping memory sharper and thinking clearer as you age. Tonight, we'll uncover the surprising bedtime habit that calms brain stress, supports memory repair, and helps you wake sharper, clearer, and more focused. If you've noticed memory slips, or simply want to guard your brain as the years go by, this may be one of the simplest steps you'll ever add to your evenings. This is for education, not medical advice. If you have memory conditions or take medication, always consult your doctor first. Let's begin by uncovering why memory often feels weaker at night, and the hidden reasons your brain may be under more stress than you realize. Do you feel your memory slips more at night? Or do you notice it feels sharper in the mornings after good rest? At night, your brain should be at work, clearing toxins, repairing pathways, and storing memories for tomorrow. But poor bedtime habits quietly block this repair. The result: foggy mornings, misplaced items, forgotten names, and a memory that slips year by year. Remember when your mind recalled everything with ease? A face, a phone number, a story from years ago. Now, many seniors find themselves repeating questions, losing track of details, or feeling mentally heavy in the morning. Dr. Dean Ornish explains that the same choices that protect the heart also protect the brain. Evening routines, especially what you eat and drink, decide whether your brain heals at night or quietly declines. The hopeful truth: with the right bedtime habit, your brain clears toxins more effectively, memory pathways strengthen, and you wake with a clearer mind, sharper recall, and lighter focus. Do you ever wake up foggy, wondering why your memory feels worse in the morning instead of better? After 60, brain changes accelerate. Circulation slows, sleep grows lighter, and memory cells weaken faster. That's why so many seniors feel their minds slipping more quickly than they ever expected. Dr. Dean Ornish reminds us this stage of life is when habits matter most. The brain can't afford added stress at night, but with the right choices, repair can stay strong. Maybe you've noticed mornings when your mind feels slow to start, when recalling a word or detail takes longer than it used to. These are signals your brain's nightly repair is weakening. The hopeful truth: while aging is natural, steep decline is not. With simple evening habits, you can sharpen focus, preserve memory, and wake clearer, steadier, and more confident in your mind. Do you ever notice your mornings feel slower now, compared to how sharp your mind once was? Too many seniors end their day with the wrong bedtime habit. Sugary drinks, caffeine, or late-night screens overstimulate the brain. Instead of repairing, your brain spends the night fighting stress, raising hormones, blocking deep sleep, and leaving memory weaker by morning. Dr. Dean Ornish warns that what you do in the hours before bed matters most. Overstimulation before sleep disrupts toxin clearance, the very process that protects memory and sharpens the brain. Think of those nights when you sipped tea or scrolled your phone, only to wake foggy, forgetful, or drained. That's not just poor sleep, it's blocked brain repair. The hopeful truth: replacing one harmful habit with a healing one flips the switch. Instead of stress, your brain spends the night cleansing, repairing, and protecting memory so you wake clearer. Do you notice your memory feels worse after nights of late snacking, tea, or scrolling, compared to when you rest peacefully? The right bedtime habit doesn't just calm you, it feeds your brain. A scoop of protein or a sip of a magnesium-rich drink like golden turmeric milk delivers the nutrients your brain needs to repair, clear toxins, and lock in memory overnight. Dr. Dean Ornish teaches that food and timing are medicine. What you give your body before sleep shapes how well your brain heals, repairs cells, and strengthens clarity for tomorrow. Instead of tossing and turning after sugar or tea, imagine sipping something warm, soothing, and healing, waking with more clarity, steadier focus, and sharper recall. What would you rather fall asleep with, a sugary snack, or a calming drink that protects your brain overnight? The right nutrients before bed work in powerful ways. They support neurotransmitters, calm inflammation, and fuel the repair that strengthens recall. Dr. Dean Ornish explains that memory decline is not just age. It's often unchecked inflammation and weak repair. Evening nutrition helps reverse those forces, protecting your brain while you sleep. Think of the mornings when you wake clear-headed, recalling names and details with ease. That's your brain's repair system working as it should. The right bedtime fuel makes those mornings more frequent. Instead of waking foggy or forgetful, you rise sharper, remembering names, focusing faster, and starting your day with confidence. Do your mornings feel clearer after calm, nourishing rest, or foggier after nights of stress and snacking? Dr. Dean Ornish teaches that food and daily habits are often more powerful than pills. Without nightly support, neurons flicker weakly, fog lingers, and forgetfulness deepens. But with one simple bedtime ritual, you give your brain the support it needs to clear toxins, sharpen focus, and help you wake remembering names and details with ease. Imagine the comfort of ending each night with a small act of healing, sipping something warm, writing down a thought of gratitude, and knowing your brain will thank you in the morning. Do you believe small nightly rituals, more than pills, can protect your brain in the long run? During deep sleep, your brain's clean-up crude, the glymphatic system, clears waste, repairs connections, and protects memory. But for this to work, your body needs calm rest and nutrients. When habits are harmful, toxins build up like fog, inflammation rises, and memory cells weaken, leading to fog, forgetfulness, and faster decline. Dr. Dean Ornish reminds us that lifestyle choices decide how well your brain heals at night. By protecting your nights with one simple habit, you give your brain what it needs to clear waste, strengthen pathways, and wake sharper. Do you ever wake up foggy, as if your brain didn't fully recharge during the night? Some foods give your brain exactly what it needs to heal: almonds, walnuts, warm milk, bananas. Each delivers nutrients that calm, fuel, and protect the brain. Instead of chips, sweets, or tea, imagine ending your day with foods that soothe you and guard your memory while you sleep. Which of these do you already enjoy at night? Almonds, walnuts, bananas, or milk? Some of the most common evening habits quietly steal brain repair. Alcohol disrupts deep sleep. Heavy dinners force digestion over repair. Screens overstimulate neurons. Dr. Dean Ornish reminds us, the choices you make in the hours before bed decide whether the brain restores itself or wears itself down. The hopeful truth. By avoiding these habits, you free your brain to do what it's built to do: repair and sharpen memory overnight. Which of these do you sometimes struggle with? Wine, heavy dinners, or late-night screens? It often begins quietly: a misplaced set of keys, glasses forgotten on the counter, a name you once recalled in a heartbeat now lingers just out of reach. Each blocked night of repair leaves behind a little more fog, a little more erosion of memory, and a faster path toward forgetfulness. Dr. Dean Ornish reminds us these slips are not just aging. They are signals your memory system is asking for care. The hopeful truth: these early slips can be slowed, even reversed. Nourish your brain at night, and mornings grow clearer, memory sharper, confidence stronger. Have you noticed more of these slips lately? Misplacing items, forgetting names, or losing track of details? One woman in her 70s added a calming nightly ritual: a warm magnesium drink and a few minutes of journaling. Within weeks, her mornings were clearer, her memory sharper, and her confidence quietly returned. Dr. Dean Ornish reminds us memory is not fixed. Even later in life, small habits, repeated daily, can restore the brain. Instead of fearing decline, she began trusting her mind again. Her family noticed too: brighter conversations, fewer slips, a new light in her eyes. If one small habit could help you wake clearer and more confident, what would it mean for your daily life? Dr. Dean Ornish has spent decades proving that lifestyle choices don't just protect the heart, they strengthen the brain and even reverse decline. His message is simple: small choices, repeated daily, create powerful healing. With nourishing evening foods, calming nightly rituals, and rest, your brain repairs deeply through the night. You don't just sleep, you wake sharper, steadier, and more confident. Do you believe small lifestyle steps, food, movement, calm, can be as powerful as medicine in protecting your brain? How soon can you notice results? Within 7 days, sleep feels deeper and mornings lighter. By 30 days, sharper recall, steadier focus, and confidence return. Dr. Dean Ornish teaches the brain responds quickly to support. With evening nutrition and calming habits, results often appear in weeks. Imagine waking one morning, realizing you remembered every item on your list without checking twice. That's your brain repairing night after night. If you could feel results in 30 days, what change would matter most? Clearer recall, sharper focus, or stronger mornings? Here's how to put it all together. A light dinner that won't weigh you down. A calming sip rich in nutrients. No screens. A few minutes of breathing or journaling. Dr. Dean Ornish reminds us, routines, done daily, matter more than dramatic changes. A protective evening ritual like this keeps your brain repairing night after night. You don't need perfection, just consistency. Each evening becomes an act of healing, so you wake sharper, steadier, and freer to enjoy life. Which feels harder for you, avoiding screens, or adding a calming drink before bed? Ignore this, and the risk grows. Night after night without repair leads to deeper confusion, fading memory, and even dementia. Dr. Dean Ornish warns that unchecked habits speed up brain decline. Protecting your brain at night isn't optional, it's essential. The hopeful truth. You still hold the power to change the story. Each small choice gives your brain the chance to heal instead of fade. Do you fear memory loss more, the daily slips, or the long-term risk of losing independence? Let's bring it together. Wrong habits, alcohol, heavy meals, late-night screens, quietly weaken the brain. The right habits, light dinners, calming drinks, nutrient-rich foods, protect it. One choice before bed can mean the difference between waking foggy or waking clear. Dr. Dean Ornish reminds us memory decline isn't just fate, it's shaped by the habits you repeat. Each night is a choice to heal, repair, and strengthen your brain. Every evening you choose right, you protect more than memory, you protect independence, confidence, and joy. Will you add one small step tonight to protect your brain, a calming sip, a scoop, or simply dimming the lights? Your brain can stay strong. Your memory can stay sharp. Each night is a chance to heal, restore, and wake with more clarity and lightness. As Dr. Dean Ornish reminds us, lifestyle isn't just prevention, it is medicine. The choices you make tonight shape the clarity you feel tomorrow. Here at Senior Club, you're not walking this path alone. Thousands of seniors are already protecting their memory and strength. Join them. Stay strong. Stay healthy. Subscribe and join Senior Club, because your sharpest mornings are still ahead. What sharper moment would mean the most to you? Recalling names, staying focused, or waking fresh each morning? In our next video, we'll uncover the so-called healthy night drink many seniors trust, yet it may quietly speed memory decline. You may already be sipping it, thinking it helps you relax, when in reality, it could be stealing clarity from your brain while you sleep. Don't miss it. The difference between sharper mornings and fading memory may be sitting in your kitchen tonight. What evening drink do you suspect might be weakening memory instead of protecting it?